fucking bird. Welcome to Birdwatcher 101.
Look over there. It's a cardinal. He's got to be very quiet. They attack. Very nice.
Wow. So many birds. You see? That's a freaking bird. Look at it. It's like a...
Oh, what was that?
What the
Hey, you're done recording, right?
Yeah.
You're not recording this?
No.
Okay. We need to get the out of here because I don't know what the that was. I can't find any damn birds, okay? I can't do this act anymore. It's fucking weird. What? Did you hear something?
Yeah, I saw something go flying.
Let's just get the out of here.
12 seconds later.
Alright, let's get out of here. Whoa. Let's go. Record. I can't find any birds. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. What is that?
Oh, sh.
What the
I don't know if she would fight it. Get closer to it. You're the cameraman.
You go closer. You're
Get
the.
on the camera, man.
Hold this.
I'll hold this. Dude, what the dude, what the